Man, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today, by the time of this video, you can see we got some Hatclub heat from the Yote Collection. Now, you already know this was I ain't gonna say a sought after drop, but in particular, we had a couple hats that went triple platinum in the streets. Like, what we got the yellow Astros. What else we had? We had the Diamondbacks. The brown khaki one, then we had the one I got, the Brewers khaki. It was just a couple of them that just went crazy. And in this video, you about to see which one I got. So let's get into this. First things first, let's get into the fitted of the day. And you can see on my head, we got one of those slept on Hatclub collections that went crazy. Now, my thing is, when a collection comes out, you gonna know if you want it or not. Well, at first you might not know, but you just gotta keep looking at it. And I say this because the longer you look at it, you're gonna see something that you actually do like. And if you don't look at it and it just passed by, you are really gonna regret it. When this first collection came out, like Hatclub Moon Rock. Hold on, let me show y'all the fit of the day first. Hold on. Fit of the day, we got the Hatclub Moon Rock collection. The Toronto Blue Jays. It's a little dusty right now. I got all my black hats sitting out. I gotta clean them up. Super clean hat, all black. You got the hits of ultraviolet, purple, and red. With that gray right here, like a rock. Like, this is one of the best parts of the hat, this gray. Like, come on now. Check out that patch. When this collection first dropped, I was like, I have to have me like a Toronto Blue Jays. And if this collection has one, I'm going to get it. Now, if I could go back, when this hat dropped, I would either get this one or the Seattle Mariners. And now if you've seen that Mariners, the S with the compass in the middle, Chef's Kiss. That one is Chef's Kiss. Like, it go for like 300, 250 now. So, but we got this one. And now, like I was saying earlier, if you see something that you like, just go ahead and cop it just in case. Just in case. Like, if you see something you like, just go ahead and cop it so you won't have to worry about it later. Now, let's get into the vibes for the day. You already know what it is. It's about to go out. I left this on all night, so luckily the house did not burn down. But we got that pineapple lily. Get those vibes going for the day. Start the video off right. Start your day off good, you feel me? Even though it's about 6 in the afternoon, in the evening. I left this on all night. I'm glad the house did not burn down. Let's get them vibes going. I'm big on scent, so I like to smell good, like my room smelling good. Room tour coming soon. You already know I got a whole bunch of stuff in this room, which would be pretty interesting. I might fly my drone up in here to get like a panning shot of everything, but room tour coming soon. I got a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. Like, if I could just turn. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. So we gonna get into that very soon. We almost at 1,000. Make sure you tapped in with your boy. Always got heat on the way. But let's get into this. Now let's get into the story how I got this hat. As always, I always tell the story how I got it. So now, I haven't copped anything from Hatclub in a little minute. Everything else been like aftermarket. Well, not aftermarket, but resale type shit. So I was like, hold on, the Yote's coming back out? I'm like, come on. But you know, at first when they dropped the Yote, it was just 4 hats. So like, you had what were those hats? I can barely even remember. You had a Mets, you had a Red Sox, and we had a Cubs and a Diamondbacks. So Cubs khaki, Mets orange, or was it the Giants? One of them. Sorry if I get it wrong. The Boston Red Sox green with the no, it was red with the green tip on the button at the top. And the Diamondbacks was yellow goldish, and with the blue underbrim. That was real cold right there. I'm going to get that hat. But they dropped it, and I tried. Well, I remember this coming out like around this time last year, and I tried to go for the Cubs because I was like, man, I gotta have that Cubs. It's cold. I didn't get it. I was like, damn. Hatclub failed me. I had my Apple Pay and everything, but I was like, whatever. But now, second time roll back around, I see that everything's coming out except the OG, so I'm like, cool. People can get what they want, whatever. And I saw the Toronto Blue Jays, So I was like, man, that khaki Toronto Blue Jays is cold. It had gold in there and everything. I'm like, man, let me switch it up. Let me get a Brewers. I only got one Brewers, so I was like, and I didn't have a logo. It was like the BM logo, Milwaukee Brewers. But this one had the glove, so I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and cop this. It got a couple of my favorite colors in there, blue, red, and brown. I'm like, you can't go wrong with that. Khaki, whatever you want to call it. But without further ado, we about to get into this unboxing. And crazy is, like, that collection actually ended up sitting a little bit, just like the Gold Digger. You can still go back and get that. And I kept looking. Eventually, you know, sizes went out quick on some of them. Like their Brewers, sizes went out quick. So I only had big sizes, so like 7, 7/8, and then 8, and then other sizes. Eventually, like the Houston Astros yellow was the first to go. The Diamondbacks. A whole bunch, like all the khakis went. They left. So then they just had the red and the yellow sitting up there. And so eventually the yellow started selling out. They still up there though. And the red probably gonna be the last. I wouldn't put it past it. But yeah, not the red, no. Damn, I forgot orange too. Orange is on there too. Orange, yellow, and red. So, hey, more for everybody. But we about to open this bad boy up. I feel like I've been doing unboxing videos every day, literally. Oh, and it comes with a special pen too. I love when they do special pens. Now let's see if they got my info right. Info right, we throw that away. And ooh, I took a peek. Ooh, it did not come with a special pen. You had to buy it. Oh well, I don't care. I got my hat. And bam, we have the Hatclub Yote khaki Milwaukee Brewers. Damn, that's clean. Wow. Royal blue undervisor. Come on now. Ooh-wee. First of all, let's get into the details of this cap. Hold on. We got a little Hatclub pen. Damn. I thought it was gonna come with that little pen what they do holding a box of stuff. But I guess you had to buy that one. Oh well, I got my hat though, so it don't really matter. So we got this nice khaki. I love this. It's more of like a brownish. I don't care. But we got this nice khaki and that red and blue, that blue glove with the red outlining. It just hit different. It's like a sneakers. Like literally. And what patch is this? What's the 82nd anniversary? Yeah, 82nd anniversary Milwaukee Brewers. That patch is clean. You got some silver lining in there. You can check it out. Blue button. Royal blue undervisor. Come on, you cannot go wrong. But it got white sweatband. I really do not like white sweatbands. It's not silky either. I really wish it was black. Come on, Hatclub. I love a black undervisor. Sweatband. My fault, y'all. They from Bangladesh though. Yup. We love that box fit. No cap. They from Bangladesh. Check out this. What? The Batterman logo. Flat. Red. Blue. Like the MLB logo, of course. Am I tweaking? But yeah. And then we got the brown New Era flag. This probably it's gonna be one of my favorite drops of the year. One of them. Well, let me stop talking because I don't know what they gonna drop for the rest of the year. Like, summer finna come, so we might get a Sugar Shack Collection Part 3 and 4. Like, I'm just talking. I'm not affiliated with Hatclub, so I would not know. So, I'll see you. So I wouldn't know what they were gonna drop, but they have been dropping heat lately. Now, the collection they just dropped, like, what is it called? The 420 collection. I wasn't really rocking with that one. Let me go check it out again. I wasn't too fond of it. Like, it just didn't catch my eye. I had just spent some money on this. Why does Hatclub not pull up anymore? Get a 420. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad actually. I take that Phillies and that Boston Red Sox. Y'all can see that. Dang, lock in. If I tweak out. Actually, hey, it'll probably grow on me. That's how a lot of collections do. At first I don't like them, but eventually they'll grow on me. So that's that with that. I kind of like don't curve them right now because I want to do some content on TikTok of me actually curving the brim. But I'm about to start back because if I want to wear this hat out and then I gotta go ahead and take out my steamer and curve it, I would be kind of upset. So I'm gonna start back like the next video for sure. But this has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you lock in for a tweak out. Make sure you tap in, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. By the time I post this, we might be at 1,000 subscribers because we're at 988 right now. So with that being said, keep supporting, keep tapping in with your boy. Peace.